Grandma's secret is to add half a tablespoon of vinegar. Today we are cooking a typical Brazilian recipe. Let's start by adding 2 eggs into a bowl. We're also going to add a 1/4 cup of sugar and 200 ml of milk. Now just mix everything together very well. And this recipe has a super cool secret. It's called a rain cookie, and the name was given to the recipe because it's perfect for eating on rainy days. All right, let's add a little bit of salt. We're also going to add 2 cups of flour. Now we're just going to add this little by little and mix. And this is the ideal texture we're looking for. This is the texture where the dough isn't too thick but pulls up just like chewing gum. And now it is time to fry. Go ahead and remove the whisk. We're going to add our special ingredient. I've got half a tablespoon of vinegar here. We're going to put that right in the batter. And this is a secret to making a recipe perfect and delicious. I just love the taste of these dumplings. Okay, after mixing this again, remove the whisk and we're going to add the other ingredients. We need 1 tablespoon of baking powder here. And mix everything together again. And that's it. Let's go ahead and fry our dumplings. Set the batter aside while you heat oil in a pot. And to add the batter, we're just going to take small amounts and gently place them into the oil. Now you can make the dumplings in whatever shape and size that you prefer, but the tip here is to always fry these in medium hot oil. If you fry these in oil that's too hot, they're going to burn and they're still going to be raw inside. Add them carefully into the oil like this. Looking good. And after a few minutes, our dumplings are ready. Just gently remove them from the oil and put them on a plate with paper towel to soak up any excess oil. And let's let these cool while we fry the rest of the batter. And you can see that this recipe yields a lot of these dumplings. It is worth making at home for sure. I love this recipe, and I remember my grandmother making it for me. I'm going to make smaller dumplings this time. They look prettier and they taste better too. And smaller dumplings fry more quickly. Watch the temperature of the oil in your dumplings. All right, and that is it. Our dumplings are ready. Remove them from the oil and put them on that plate. Look how fluffy and juicy they are. My mouth is just watering. I cannot wait to try these. And just like that, I've gone ahead and I've cooked all of our dumplings. These look so good. The last step is to mix cinnamon into 1 cup of sugar. Mix all of that together really well. Cinnamon is our special ingredient here. Looking so good. And that's it. We can go ahead and add these right into our cinnamon sugar and give them a try. Fluffy and super tasty rain cakes. Bon appetit!